Hi guys, welcome to the Bike Sanctuary. My name is Ben and today I'm showing you this really stunning Kawasaki Z650, which is a parallel twin 650cc, making about 68 brake horsepower. This particular one's been really tastefully modified to look like a Streetfighter and it's gorgeous. So let's start from the front. So good tyres, as you can see, the addition of rim tape. We've got twin discs with combined front and rear ABS. Full protectors on the top there just to stop any muck from getting on them. This bike's had an additional screen added. We do have the original fly screen. This one's slightly bigger just to kick some of the excess wind over the top of the rider. So we've got aftermarket covers on the brake master cylinder there, which look quite cool, and the addition of bar end mirrors. Now we can substitute these for the original mirrors if you wish. Bodywork's in immaculate condition, no signs of any drops or bangs or scrapes or anything like that. It's been really well maintained, it's been well loved. It's got a Mivv aftermarket exhaust which is baffled. Of course you can remove the baffle, some aftermarket pegs, and we've also got the paddock stand lifters and the seat cowl. Again, we have the rear seat. Small mark on the rear cowl just here, just a ever so slight split. This is obviously an aftermarket piece, but other than that, very clean. Also got an R&G tail tidy on there as well. So all the good bits that you would want to do to this bike are pretty much already done. It's a low mileage bike with full service history, both keys, covered just over 8,000 miles. Chain sprockets, all the consumable parts, all in fabulous condition. Obviously it would go through and be checked by us prior to collection or delivery anyway. It's a perfect kind of first bike this, for anyone that's got their full license, and it can be electronically restricted down for A2 license holders as well. You can ask us about that. So you can see covered just under 8,000 miles. Let's give her a start up. Sounds very cool, and that's with the baffle in. So this bike comes with free delivery during the lockdown period. Make sure you take advantage of that if you can. We also offer 10% off of accessories with the bike or purchased after the bike for customers indefinitely. And I'm happy to take any inquiries. You can reach out to us via WhatsApp, Facebook, website. Of course, you can give us a call. And yeah, I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.